We've been in Vang Vieng for a week now, and we've done so much and had an absolute blast. We've gone hiking, seen epic viewpoints, relaxed at amazing, beautiful lagoons, but we saved the best for last.
Exactly. If you think that crossing this bridge here is adventurous, tomorrow we will be crossing off one of our top bucket list items. We will be going on a hot air balloon ride.
I'm so excited.
So excited. There are already so many hot air balloons here. There is the option of doing it either in the morning, which we'll be doing, like a sunrise one, or for sunset.
And Laos is one of the cheapest places to do it in the world, so I'm excited but also scared. It's gonna be an adventure.
That's for sure, and we will be seeing you guys tomorrow bright and early at 5:30 a.m. Good morning.
Good morning. It is definitely early.
Yes, it is very early. It is still like 5:45. We just got to the site where we're gonna be taking off. We already see the balloon over there. We have a neat little group of, I think,
it's pretty dark.
8 or so.
Yeah. Got picked up at 5:30. I'm definitely feeling a little bit slow, but I feel like the adrenaline's gonna hit and I'm gonna wake up.
I have not had a coffee yet, but I'm sure I will wake up.
Yep, that's for sure. I'm so excited, but so nervous at the same time.
Yeah. I'm excited when they are starting to blow it up. Like,
yeah, and actually see something because it's like super dark.
Yeah, you can we still have like a little laser show going on. I don't know if you can see that. I'm sure there's still people
coming
out,
back to their hostel.
or still out. I don't know.
We're waking up.
But the sun is slowly rising. Like, you can see it over there.
Yeah, looks
it's really cool.
I'm
very
so
excited. We're getting closer. It's amazing. They're just inflating the balloon back there. You can see it. They use like big fans to fill up with air before they start with the flames, apparently. And it's massive. I saw like people walking inside, fixing up like the strings or whatever. Wow. It is so much bigger up close than when you see them in the air. It is actually really crazy. This is wild.
It's so big. I mean, it's crazy because you see them in the sky, like they don't look that big, but seeing them close, yeah. I know, it's crazy. I just can't believe it. It's so cool.
All right, let's get in there.
This is so crazy.
It is insane. We are quite high.
Woo! My feet feel a little bit like jello.
Mine too. But it's so cool. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another one taking off down there. It's really cool.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I'm a little nervous. The views are insane. Woo! Woo! It's hot. You can now see a lot more balloons and it is so cool. But my feet still feel like jello.
There's 9 balloons on the...
Are you counting?
10 with us, I think.
It's so cool.
So it looks like we're about to land, but it also looks like someone's back here. I don't know if you can see. I know.
This is really scary.
It is.
Okay.
Interesting. Like. So he's talking to people underground, but I have no idea. I don't know what's going on. Look at this. About to land.
It's like a someone's
It's someone's vegetable garden. There's a little bit of cattle over there as well. Hey! Pull it in, boys. Do you think this is actually going to be a final landing site?
I landed like 5 times.
Going up and down, up and down. I don't think it is it. It looks a little tall. Go take down the
No, there's so many trees.
there's trees. There's like a flagpole over there. There's tons of kids. Hey, buddy. All right, let's get out of there.
Alright, feels good to be on the ground. That was exciting.
So after the
5 attempts?
5 attempts that we were supposed to land, I think it's like a, is it a school?
I think we
so.
landed at a school, yeah.
Yeah,
That was a really cool experience.
it was, for sure.
The drop off was a little stressful, but really funny. We got caught in a tree
So,
at one point.
Which drop off are you talking about?
Yeah, I don't know.
Which attempt?
The second, third, fourth, fifth. It's definitely 5 times, right?
For sure. Yeah,
But
it's so
I mean,
cool.
we got dropped off at a school basically.
And now he's trying to land it over there
Yeah.
at the soccer field.
Because there's not enough space for the balloon to come down because there's too many trees around. So they got us out and then they're back up and flying it in a field.
So cool. Amazing
At
experience.
one point we like actually landed in someone's backyard and they're like, nope, we can't get the car
Yeah.
here. Like not a good spot.
Yeah,
We're
what
gonna go
was he
back up.
saying? It's like they're having farming vegetables there. That's why they didn't want us to get out. Something like that. But yeah, it's like they always have someone to communicate on the ground.
Yeah.
And to talk to the locals if they're
Yeah.
okay, if they're okay to like get
It
out
looks
here.
chaotic, but it's organized in its own way.
Yeah.
We just got dropped off and whoa, like that was crazy.
It was so much fun.
My legs were jello like the entire time, but the views were insane. We definitely recommend doing this. It is pricey for like backpacking, but like
Yes.
again, one of the cheapest to do in the world. We paid 110 USD per person to do this experience. We were in the air for like probably,
I think you were saying about 40 to 45 minutes.
yes, 45 minutes. Oh wow, there's like a party happening.
That's already happening.
Those are some speakers on that car. I don't know what's going on
I
there.
have no idea what's going on there, but
But anyways, we highly recommend it. It was an awesome experience.
you're still catching your breath there. It's still early in the morning. We're gonna have breakfast now. We're gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed ballooning with us. If you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more adventures here in Laos.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.